want to show that you have done lots of measurements. Okay, so if you were to do just line graph, people might not see how many measurements you've done. So usually when you've done more than one measurement, you should always try to put in an error bar. Okay, so if you were to put in an error bar, okay, something like this. But this one just shows before and after the average. What you do is you want to add in error bar. So you add a chart element, error bars, but the error bars that we are adding will be a custom value because we are going to select from here. Okay, same for this one, we are going to select from here. Okay, that will give you a bar chart with error bars. Okay, so you are able to see that not only you can see the difference, but you also know that the variance involved, the deviation of your data. Okay, any questions? So this is using Excel. If you were to use pass, should be plot bar chart. Okay, so immediately you have your, okay, they immediately calculate for you the standard deviation, so it's faster. Okay, so this is for the thing with pass is it's not supposed to be a graphing software, so there are lots of things that you cannot change. Okay. So it might not be suitable for journal publication, but you can probably use it for your thesis. Okay. Shows the temporal variation of a chlorophyll A data. So you measure in 1 year, and you measured 3 times. Okay. So this is the data you obtain. So what kind of graph do you think you will draw? Anyone? So if you draw a line graph like that, this is an XY graph. It shows the variation throughout the year. 3, right? But if you were to put a bit more effort, you should actually measure it out, measure the average and also the standard deviation. Okay. Then you just drag it down. Okay. What you do here is then you okay. So this is actually a little bit more accurate in the sense that it shows the average with a deviation. Okay. So most of the time you do not just plot your raw data like that, but you have to do some analysis where you may look at the average and you look at the standard deviation. Okay. Any questions? So if you were to do this, easy, right? No problems. So if you were to do this in past, should be straightforward also. Oh no, okay. Sorry. So for past you have to put it inside the name and then plot it as a pie chart. Okay, you can actually do this, remove one of them, or you can remove all of them, split it up like this, or I'm gonna do a donut. Okay, so you have a very good free software here that you should learn how to use it.